Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to fix your Venmo payment. I know that Venmo can be a great way to send and receive money, but sometimes things can go wrong. Maybe you're trying to make a payment and it's not going through, or maybe you're trying to receive a payment and you're not seeing the money in your account. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the most common reasons why your Venmo payment might not be working and how to fix them. 1. Check your internet connection. If you're having trouble making a Venmo payment, the first thing you should check is your internet connection. Venmo requires a strong internet connection to work properly. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, it can cause problems with your payments. 2. Make sure you have the latest version of the app. Venmo is constantly updating the app with new features and bug fixes. If you're having trouble with your payments, it's possible that you're using an outdated version of the app. Make sure that you have the latest version of the app installed on your phone or computer. 3. Check your payment information. When you make a Venmo payment, you need to enter your payment information correctly. This includes your name, address, and bank account number. If any of this information is incorrect, your payment will not go through. 4. Check your recipient's information. If you're trying to send money to someone else through Venmo, you need to make sure that you have their correct information. This includes their name, Venmo username, and email address. If any of this information is incorrect, your payment will not go through. 5. Check your balance. If you're trying to make a payment with Venmo, you need to make sure that you have enough money in your account. If you don't have enough money, your payment will not go through. 6. Check your payment status. Once you make a Venmo payment, you can check its status in the app. If your payment is pending, it means that it is still being processed. If your payment is successful, it will show up in your activity feed. If your payment is unsuccessful, it will show up in your activity feed with an error message. 7. Contact Venmo support. If you're still having trouble with your Venmo payment, you can contact Venmo support. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and get your payment processed. I hope this video has helped you fix your Venmo payment. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Thanks again for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.